Let's go home together. Be careful. Be careful. Oke, before we close our lesson, sebelum kita menutup pelajaran kita, marilah kita berdoa. Let's pray. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Subhanakallahumma. Good afternoon, my students. See you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.